Hold on. Pull up. Alright, pull up. So, I'm done. I have one next problem. Alright. Some artists say they reach late and they travel far. That's why the show that started. I'm trying to accommodate to a whole heap of people around. You understand? Now the show start, when I can't leave me. There are about 3 persons where when we done, I go to them, so we still have paper in my pocket for key, for register. If you reach late, I just saw you go. You understand? That part they close off. Just enjoy the show. Cool? So, we're ready to start now, Ivan? Sure? Right now. Alright, so, we're going to start now. Bossy, round yourself clear. Please, yeah. Only the person we call. Round yourself mean round yourself. Please. I don't want no confusion and nobody say nobody bias. Alright, you good, my boss? See, alright. See? So, alright, what are the bad boss? Lady, we are going to call out the name them. We don't want no artists around here until we call them. One focus now, because we don't get confused. Alright?
Okay.
Cool. So, alright, that's what we do now.
Alright, based on this, give me that reading now with us. Hold on, based on this, wake up Mandevile School. Mandevile School, wake up, we kind of cool, you know where you go. 114 artists have signed up for the $1 million. So you know how it go. You understand? If you know, say you're out of breath and you're not breathing something, like me, I know when I put on some weight. You understand what I say? You know how it go. If you come up and say you see the people them, I put up on TikTok, you know how it go. It's all about performance. Can't give me big up yourself. Got your promotion, you know how it go. Yeah man, the artists them there, as I said, 114. So I'm gonna call up some artists in no particular order, no age order group. You understand? Just come ready. DJ Max, Steel Chest in the building. Bounty Killer on his way. CJ Sparks. Wanna big up my co-host, Hype Type, and 90 Magnus. Also big on his seat. Ace on his seat in the building. You know it's my favorite song that by us anytime. You understand what I'm saying? So here we are. All ready? Give me some. Come on. Live it up. Come. Warm up. Alright. Right about now, our first contestant goes by this name. You understand? I hope me get it right. Yeah. It's all about Tapiri. Aside here. Make sure it's outside going on. Wait there. Tapiri. Going once. Wait there. Who know what Tapiri? Huh? Wait there. Going once. Going twice. Alright, Tapiri already yet. If I wait time to call up last, that's how it go. If I come, Tappy. What? Ready. What the mic? What the next microphone? So you know how it go. Alright? You're going up for $1 million. And you'll have the rhythm by the producers. So you're ready? Let's go.
Chippity. Alright, they're from CJC Break. We are me and them from, so you know what I think about. Chippity. They know the procedure, you know. Alright. Big them fun. Boy, I be jig them chat when it classic thing clap, grenade pin pop. House of drop the boom down flat. Now here where you leave them from. Kill with the stand, AR with the pan down. With the gang with no broke, criminal run no down pan the flat. Level me. The life we live in, grind me living, psycho business, like everything, gripping inside the Guinness, rise to riches, hold the kiss, not bitches, want to see me, say she want me come. Give them the wrist and no skill in hand. Shit with it.
I'm gone. So what do we have? What do we have? We have what? 2 rounds, MC. Wait, go. High time. Wait, go. 2 rounds or 3. 1 song each. Right? So that was I'm gone. Boy, oh boy, judges, me now look. Let's go again, number 2.
So, legally,
Our number few.
one song, because some people have it as 30 seconds, but it's
Yeah.
1 song.
Yeah.
Alright?
All
1
right.
song.
Cool. So it's all about pure immortal. What immortal then? Immortal boss, where then? Come the man, we there all day. From 6 we're supposed to start in the man. Pure and immortal in the building. When then? Going once, going, yeah, in there. Hey. Anyway, hey. Alarms in the building. Let's go.
Everybody in that place, man. Big up the judges, big up everybody. Big up the whole of that, like Virgin Martin and the young president. Man, they no man. Watch out. Me a bleach and now we see and the bus stop. Steady with me clutch back, just a clutch back. Right at the bus stop, somebody a go jump from me spot. The target now go make him marrow fly, body drop as me pop off the clutch. Pull it in your face, bust out your head back. Blood broke like holes when him touch for the chop. Me walk back from the main, make a quick stop by a grave in it. And then take the shot, go through the skin, reach back from me black. Oh, that pan the black and the bass pan the black fat. Matic in a waist, look how the dog drop. Oh, I want connection. Me general, him a real bad man. From me a little boy, him a boss one back. Till him upgrade to the black in a man. From me a 14, with me 14, me a squeeze me 14. Till me make 14 and them chuck it on the pussy. They think me bad, this a joke thing. But me roll pin, fuck up the whole scheme. Revelation man them dark. Revelation man them dark. Revelation man them no laugh. Yes, it's my family, they want to talk about it, cause never been up. Man, I'm going to second verse. Man, it's not man. Watch out. Them like down the business like a shot. So me bust up the shot and flip me like in the ghost. And them no want let me eat. So me let it myself by myself. Me never did nobody else. Rivalry sweet like a Christmas bell. When this Christmas boat soul jingle to hell. Not spare nobody hold hands. Me a shell when we bring out the Christmas bell. Shot in a clip, fly in a body. Clip will drop and bust it up like kids. And the bloody up their face, body back their body. You see them big toe, man, dog it.
I'm going. No, man. It's not going good. It's going good. That's a blank if it's going good, no, man. Yeah, me like that. Yeah, man, you might come, you have a stage present and swag something there going, you know what I mean? But for the performance tonight, based on this thing, I'm just hearing that we have 3 rhythm, so they can choose from any of those. We have 3 rhythm, so if you want, for the artists, for the cultural artists, we have a special rhythm for those, alright? Because you know them can't do the anger management something. But the rhythm,
Selector.
you know the rhythm. I don't know the rhythm, I'll tell you the rest of it.
Otherwise, from the anger management.
So play the 3 rhythm, make me go here.
Alright, play that. Taxi, real rock, and anger management.
So play them, make them here.
Play the taxi, play the taxi. Yeah, play the taxi.
Yeah, man.
Lot of mercy. Run out of marine and me gone out of yard. Cut out of peace. I'm an artist, look there. Go easy. What the other one now? What the other one? Keep fast.
I miss you, my baby. I miss you, my baby. So, artists, 1 million.
Since you been gone.
Look here. Let's start out that song here now, come on. This is one of the corruption. May I hear something nasty? But may I hear? Happy have a new age.
Listen me now. No, $1 million we are giving.
Yeah.
$1 million and you have to go hard. This is talent born to shine. This is talent. Do what you do.
Alright, you hear that? And I'm being so. And hey, I'm gonna flick my buckle up here on my show. Me just the MC. You understand? And you hear the three rhythm them. So I've been on the head now. Which three rhythm I want? Let's go. You understand? Talent start born to shine. Let's go. So right about now, we wanna call up Melody Shay. Where's Melody Shay? Melody Shay. She there? Melody Shay. So you see the rhythm them now? We just go to the selector based on this book and just say, yo, I got more want. You understand? And then we know. Melody Shay, she here? Melody Shay going once? Alright, she not there. Alright. Young Mish. Where Young Mish then? This song Youngish. Young Mish, when there? Give me a rhythm, give me the rhythm, give me the anger management. Where they went? Young Mish. Where Young Mish then? Going once. Chop, 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 chop.
Yo, Mandevile. Yo, selector. Yo, pause that a little. Watch out now. I have to give God thanks for being here, you know. As if I start to say God is the greatest. And I know say God is the greatest. Play with him, them boss. Yo, watch ya. All I G them big up on yourself, you know. Me a pen, Moby a flanker. Don't do things. Watch ya now. Believe me, I go really go in and now bad man song, a girl song. But me I start off like this. Watch ya. Ride out the young and drive on the beamer, drive on the axial, drive on the teeter. Everybody know that me is a leader. Everybody know that me is a leader. Ride out the young, drive on the beamer, drive on the axial, drive on the teeter. Everybody know that. Yo, watch ya. Yeah. Girl pack it up right on the dashboard. Set up me pack right up in her hole. She think me simple, she think me cold. Inside don't think that if you don't know yo. You love Marcus, you love Beamer, you love Axio, you love Tida. But me have something better in the future. Girl, let me show you, me are the leader. Pay for your girl, go and join the job. Everybody know that I'm me at the start. Here where you come from, listen me now fast. Watch ya, yeah, big up the general, bounty killer. Boy, this thing they don't caterpillar. Here where you come from, Chimchang and Miller. Boy, let me tell you this, boy, you're nobody know a truck, you a truck, you know. Never hold a gun and you never was a shot, you know. Here where you come from, the track, here that, you know. You know, father, we don't want to go to the back, you know.
I like it. Next time, bust a block no man for Young Mish. In on the action, in on the beamer. Yo, you understand? What me I gonna do again? It's all about talent search. Boy, I never know there's so much I don't know we gonna sign up for tonight. Shocking. You understand? Anyways. God, it's a man. You want two pressure pills, sir? Cause you go run up your pressure. The rule them done set. Yeah, man. We are coming with a Trump behavior, sir. Jesus Christ. Come on. Come down. Come down. Come down. Come down. Mix up. Alright, right about now, let's go. You understand? Next performer. Shakeen. How is Shakeen then? A Shakeen or a Shakeen? Not Shakeen, you know. Shakeen. A Shakeen is blood. Hey! Next one, nice little woman there, man. Shakeen. First female on stage tonight. So Shakeen, you choose your rhythm already? Shakeen, you choose hold on, I do Shakeen. Not Shakeel, Shakeen. Hold on, Shakeen. So you're Shakeen. Alright, go on Shakeen.
Active from we out of St. Mary, you see me? Brawling. But this time I push right you're dropping a nigga, but you're gonna play next year, babe. Once I saw no one check you better, you're gonna behave. Madam bad, not to me, papi, Malu, go so glad back. Let that the air speed, shut the blow you don't like with me. I'm the get them as this is I'm gonna give you a trip. This is how you're something, go pick them like me, I'm talking. Broken phone, we left flesh, you don't see anything. Boy, could have big gas car like elephant. Just like big belly from us, so you're belly bound. Knocky shot, make shot fucking at the body. So the electricity do the man when you touch your body. Fire, fire till your life expire. Ratchet on your throat, but your throat rabbit. Go to your piece and your jaw, move, make your dumpy blood. Your piece and your jaw, pussy set in belly skull. And the weed when you smoke, make your big belly blow. And your car run slow when the rifle a blow. Have a blow, I'm gonna make your dumpy door. If your piece and your body, you are star dumpy show. Yo, hold up.
I'm gone. I'm gone. Coffin in the building. Blood, wow, the artists them show up.
Yes, send them out fast.
Yeah, man.
And the artists them are there, you hear me? Yeah, they're gonna show the artists them love.
Yeah, man.
Here because I saw them gonna show who no love when they go up on the stage. Unity is strength. Please and thanks. One of me knows, I'm out.
So the judges are, you know, I mean, they're looking, they're writing down, they're taking their notes, etc., etc. Right about now, you know, we're going down to the wire. Let's welcome Don Lyrical. Don Lyrical in the building, I went there. I like how the female in my show. Don Lyrical going once. Don Lyrical. Don't I'm this. Yes. Don Lyrical in the building.
Yo, Manchester, fully active. I mean, I big up everybody with it, you know what thing going on. I want them to say, I don't know. Watch out. Hey, stop. Oh, shut the home door, boy, head down, check. I'm me up here, living on my head, so get it on here, and full of life road. Boy, shut up, real full of cool and fun. People are dead when the rifle of rose, never shot in my face. Making a hard cool, not for your time, the man go on our pool. Some boy do jump in them off the third pool. None of them can keep up. Boy, they pay know me and all they playing. I'm a short good cheese and a dark people. When them is creep up, and fuck I bleed out. None of them can keep up. Boy, they pay know me and all they playing. I'm a short good cheese. Let them select I'm a champion people that know. Hey, watch out. We chick black, we flip on head, this man, this gun crack, head gun shot, we don't do chat. Who want to go one shot? Who want to fully active? We don't do that.
Yeah, man. How you mean? Yeah, man. Big up yourself. So artists you upstage. Run up and down like me. More the mic balance here. Please. Yeah, me don't want this squeak.
Yeah,
Artists don't cover the mic here. Please and thanks. This bad boy.
I'm going good. It going good? Yeah, man. Going down to the wire. Big up yourself. Right about now, let's welcome Sheltec. Where's Sheltec then? Sheltec. Yeah, man, I'm going to cover up the mic. You understand? Remember, I'm not professional yet, you know. Just, I'm going to cover it up. We're not muzzle up the team. When I hear no enunciate and pronunciate. You understand? Sheltec, wait there. What am I? Oh, Sheltec. Come on,
ready? Put like a run in the night here. Remember, run here, run for $1 million.
We don't know if I'm this man, but something make them attack. Bad little face, she's a pretty attack. She wants to point up out another girl. Make a kid that long like a fool. I'm corner out like damn spoon. We are fucking up young from class 2. Now we are fucking at the bed and in a bathroom. She get trick, me not put no grassroots. Electric, shock when we pass through. A couple dozen girls, so you know me can't choose. Stop that, listen, that go hear me for news.
That's it? No, but we like how you go on, you know. Yeah, man, a bad song, but the man shy star. Yeah, man, he kind of laid back. No, man.
But hold on there. Artists. Who could come and sing some for $1 million? Not under history. I must have phone card or Pepsi. No, brother.
You're not hungry feet.
See, big producer them over there saying everything. But I wake up the crowd, man, and engage with the crowd. But they just come and look one way, see people so, and people so. Come on, man. Artists on the line could have sung them the back. But they not put the energy in the song, so they not kick back the energy. Lady, make us see what overcome next.
Yeah, man, you know, it's all about engaging, but guess what? I think because, yeah, man, and switch up the rhythm. You can't go to the bass of this here and someone want the rhythm there and the rhythm there. You understand? Because as long as you have a talent, you know, you can't go for DJ or sing on any rhythm. Because you don't want nobody come talk about white tonight. You know, and come down and something. You understand? So big up yourself, you know how it goes. Let's go again. It's all about accurate. They sound like one conscious man, you know? Conscious artist. Where's the accurate? Accurate. Yeah. Sorry. It's all that you can say. Oh, wow. $1 million lady league. Yeah. And still accurate.
Empire, I understand what I'm saying. Live and rule and reign in the art of living flesh. Rastafari. What do you realize last time? Mandevile, how you doing? Give thanks to the gathering and the outcome. See? Blessed is the man that walk it, not to the council of the ungodly and standing in the middle of sinners and season the scene of stand for. But I know the light shall always be in the last of most high. In this life we shall meditate day and night upon the king. No joke thing. Same way. Watch out, man. You tell the enemy say, some boy who said they were your friend. And you can't believe I saw some friend of him. What tell them say, watch out, man. Some boys say them are with friend, but them are friendly me. And every move we make, say them are penny way. But we don't know, say them can't stop with. Because the Almighty are in my back me. Some boys say them are with friend, but them are friendly me. And every move we make, say them are penny way. But we don't know, say they can't stop with. Because King Selassie I in my back me. No, let me tell you about this boy named Lenky. And you see that the boy take me at 20. Just show me, tell them say the pocket empty. Why can't tell people about me a every? Call out me name dominance. Some boy them just say wear panty. Say my friend and my mouth stand me. They don't put a waist, they put a rap me. Friend them come at me. But all the good, what's them with? But all the good that them and what them can't mad me. Some boys say them are my friend, but them are friend in it. And every move we will make, but them are anyway. But we don't know, say them can't stop me. Because the Almighty are in my back me. Oh, them to stop me with me done born bless. And now we and the girls are request. Them want phone number with address. I'm gonna tell them no, we say last year.
Nine Magnus. Now you the man I say him, the girl, them a caress. Oh, I'm here, man. I'm going good. What's a black if him going good, no, man? Yeah, man, I'm going good. Accurate, big up yourself, you understand what I say? Big up the artists, them from Greenville, you know where it go. You understand, me love to soon come out and do the thing. You understand, right about now, we're gonna welcome on stage, Peggy Dan. What Peggy Dan?
Yeah, Peggy Dan forward, quick and fast. Artists there I want to look like, you see me? And plus specialists today I want to go to one early round. Eh?
Yeah, man, and the really would name Peggy Dan from down a Senton, man. Y'all Jester, because you know say we're not Jester. You understand me? Give me the answer. I know back answer. You have some boy that come around and come talk about them a bad man. But them a bad man. Them a boy them nose and tongue like rat man. I mean you're pregnant of the plan for the generation. You want to hear something, y'all Jester? You know, two man a bad man. Some man a bad man. Me not boy, me nose and tongue like a rat man. Some man a bad man. Some man a bad man. Me not boy, me nose and tongue like a rat. How they youth them nowadays, them all a get out of hand. Leave from school, we don't know education. Looking at them cookies and be a wrong man. Walk on the street with a gun in them hand. Fight against them that them all a fight against them man. Take all the money and never hold your man. Them is something Rasta don't say it wrong.
Ask me what me name, no the great Peggy Dan. Believe about bridge and it a put a sentan. I mean no see no boy man over miss race from true man a bad. Say man a bad man. No boy me no say trouble a car ride my come on a bad. Say man a bad. No boy me no say trouble. Man 73, me sister man 71. Something away you go and away me can't understand. Two road to pick you better pick the right one. No matter pick the road and go follow Satan. God tell me say me must be a Christian. Must come a church with the Bible in my hand. Boy Satan, him a get out of hand. Come in and me piss and give me botheration. Take off his foot, take off him hand. Put him in a coffin, make him go turn. You not tell him now the badness man, you done.
You know say, when me a go a sentence at a place there, and him sell the yam. You know the cassette from him? Yeah man, and him sell the yam.
Pick up yourself, break it out. But here what now?
One more item. So, we just do rhythm to the connection. So we put happy hour and fiesta. Alright? So we have happy hour, fiesta, anger management. Right? Real rock. Our answer for the singer. Alright? So we put two new rhythm in it. So in our next round, we jump in two of the latest rhythm in it too. Alright, you're ready over there, right? Alright, lady.
Alright, so here what now? Here we're gonna do this now. So you see, because we have a lot of artists, I'm gonna call up the artist who's gonna perform next, and then call up the three who's coming after, so let's find yourself side stage, you understand? Because we need to live up the thing, alright? You know how you go, but Peggy Dan, the young man from St. Ann, big up yourself. So right about now, big up yourself, you know, the whole crew over there, so the bar crew, Rum Bar, you know how it go, one of the sponsors tonight. Alright? Gotcha promotion, you know how it go. Alright? So right about now, let's welcome Brandis. Brandis. And after Brandis, we have Kocha, Stark, and Javon. Javon Fremantle. So Kocha, Stark, and Javon Fremantle line up on a cell.
So the next three artists just join there to the side stage, please.
So right about
call the name.
Yeah.
It just flow quick.
Brandis, that? I Brandis?
Yeah man, anger management him say, yeah?
No, whoa. Now look on this man and lick up what it talawa. Kocha, Kocha, Kocha.
Mandevile. Yes. Social media run. Run back. Mandevile.
You ready now?
Yo, Mandevile. What we tell you now? One for the media. They free out the life and go keep there. The boy can't do it like scatter. But tell the big man about the soap mother.
Wait. Pull up.
We do it, we can't believe it.
Don't come with who are here for yourself? What's the blood for Brandis, the man? Come in, man. No worry. Do your thing.
One for the media. They free out the life and go kill liar. The boy can't diss me like that. Can't go tell the big man go suck mother. The system man here and too wicked. Better like see them. One of the people on it nice like see them. But can't be a money. We give them. But me say, we have to find a plan. But we salad. Don't a junction. Plan young taxi, cocoa or young. But me say, me not go on TikTok, go big man lion. Yo, on the street, you got one TikTok, I beg you tell them deep.
Ah boy. Come down.
Yo, Mandevile.
Come down.
Me have the power. I'm
Come down.
big up CJ Sparks.
I'm a Belfield. You understand?
So Lady Lee.
CJ Sparks in the building. You know how going on the bounty killer soon reach. You understand? No fake promotion around here. But some black feel come and break this no man. You go on to. Yeah, yeah, man, I say one by piece along down my place, down junction. Of course. You understand? And then you go plant some skelly eyes.
CJ Sparks. CJ Sparks, you know them are waiting for a long time, so you have to say something? Or we give you the 411 shot clip.
Good night, everybody. But now tell like, what the youngster name while I coming?
Brent, no! Cut him.
No, Hunger Feet. In Hunger Feet. And the lyrics them connect.
Is your Sparks just reach and hear her voice? She'll go like she there a long time, and I like she there here or but big up Sparks. So, when the next two artists are for there?
Brendis and Stark and Javon Fremantle.
Alright,
Yeah,
cool.
man, line up with yourself. So who this now? So ladies and gentlemen, you know I go going down the wine. Give me the reading there again. Brendis.
Yo!
I don't want to hear.
Want to shine!
Okay.
See what I mean? Yeah, bring this is not. Bounce rhythm level. Bounce rhythm level. Cause no one of the people in here with me I said. So bounce rhythm level. You understand? Alright. You have to hear them so light on the better yeah. I see no better yeah. Black people not too much pressure yeah. Ayo, Jamaica, here we go. Well, year after year them so light on the better yeah. And every year them paint the same picture yeah. Oh life is better when so much gunship yeah. Oh life is better when so much blood around yeah. Year after year them so light on the better yeah. And every year them paint the same picture yeah. Oh life is better when so much gunship yeah. Oh life is better when so much blood around yeah. Black people, you know see a trick them a tickle no. You know sister Babylon still a burn one shut up. Election come the bar come house to house. Should the hypocrite them want to know about. Election done at the time and then send the police. The soldier for beat and pick it. I'm on a 50, almost 71. Them a little boy just got in at the post. Not even 18 months they spent the one. That big man gets him on being nothing on. Year after year them so life talk a better yeah. And yo!
What's up,
Want to shine.
Brendis, that man. Yeah, so who we have next? Javon there? Javon. You choose a rhythm already? Oh. Why, I'm a little bit too old for my generation. I guess that's yes.
Well, I'm here for well, I got chest man, no you think of. You see it one thing from CG representing as a man. But, how you go? Tell about the wild life, nothing ever nice. Think of food alone price with the right side. Some K when they right beside I try here, cause your mind die. Find some tool when we show these side. 9mm in a bright light. Don't fire this, they catch a first class light. Press up the zip and me fix things right. One dark shit just take to me groove. We unstoppable, me and my tools. We don't follow rules, and me a gas school. Beat the hammer while the ring shoes tools. In a this a game dance already shoot. Nothing to prove, if you make a move just know. And the wrong thing you could ever do. Steady and stay up. Chop pass right up in Jacob. Click down and it not tape up. Turks and Caicos, we send boy brain go steady and stay up.
I'm going. Javon, artist, please. Listen, man. We're not hurt the feeling. Top cover the mic. The judges want to hear you clearly. You know what I mean? We're not having no lyrics, you know. You understand? Based on this, sometimes the music kind of overpower them as well. So just balance it off a bit. You understand? You have to work. Yeah, man. Balance it off a bit. You understand? You know how it goes. So who next we have is a Stark. Yes, sir. Read him. Give me some reading. Read him.
Tika
why you go. If I got them, me know why you so. Me want man we drive Benz, back it up in ambulance, poor boy no offense. Bank account it up enough. So you come round if you're broke. Me want house and land next month is a trip me a take go Japan. Money me a depend. You happy how money to spend? Why you call off my phone? Say if they home alone. I tell me come home back. Mommy not driving a Corolla. Your money up in time up, pile up, stack up. Why missing my car? Back enjoy the one. That's wrong. We enjoy shake call it back.
I tell you that.
Money happy spend.
How much now?
Me not driving a Corolla.
No, what's up?
What's up? She take me five.
Your time done. Your time done. Your time done. I tell. How much money I get?
Why not exit left?
No, how much money I get?
Exit stage
What
left.
else? Get the money. No, get the money. No, you can't go first, right now.
No.
Hey, we have
What's up, black fish ain't calling about? Money me a spend.
That's where money.
Rock fucking man, me no want. I want to them. Yo. Going down to the wire, you know how it go. Yeah, man, that's how it go. So, we're current since then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's there. Where you want? Anger management. Let's go.
Yo, when get this stuff then the Mandevile. No get this stuff there. No get this stuff there.
It's a live junker.
Then I said,
number 25 that day.
Hold on, come on. Jump, come on.
Go look at work, junker.
Hold on. Come on, jump. What?
Forensics.
He live?
Live. Area.
What the foot them, question? That's what the foot them are.
What's up? Look here.
He live?
What's in the animal cruelty stuff?
Yeah. All this I want to catch on junker. I'm the one dead down. I want to pet something up on. Yeah.
It's the man pet.
Junker, what? Come on, I say junker. Junker. What junker?
It's the man pet.
Junker. You look a junker, you.
Go look at work.
Junker, look at work. What you doing?
Junker.
What you doing?
Don't be like him.
How much you bring out already?
Don't be like him.
Next three artists.
The man are just like junker. You see fella them pulling jacket.
Next three artists.
He just a junker, yeah
So
man.
let's welcome Leighton Magnus, the man. Leighton Magnus.
Abba vibes.
And then we have Rose Magnus. And then we have Tiger Conscious. Look, so. Well, Leighton then. Where Magnus family then? Magnus family calling
I'm
him.
going to shut it up, man.
Magnus family twice. Oh, see them here.
Alright, so the other artists them were supposed to perform too.
Where Tiger then?
Tiger, just join
Tiger,
the side
come in,
stage.
Tiger. Come.
Tiger this.
Yeah, man, make it
Alright,
perform.
and after Tiger, who?
Magnus, the Magnus family.
Magnus family forward. Give me a next day, so they know for John Deere.
See them, the man, in the right this.
Me know man, just give me a next day.
Alright, so we have Rose Magnus and Leighton Magnus. So we're ready for Tiger. Happy hour. Can't get over jump box.
Yo, Jamaica, Mandevile, Africa, Ethiopia. That's me I say. Listen. Nice and easy. Yo, listen. one thing I gone. Fussing on the place I got. When the rich and they want. Most of the place I spent and I go come. The post dance all Tiger fun. Take it to the level when they post it. Tiger man so simple. Monday the people. We have to go in on the age. Roll up and you lift the in on the street. Battle for light and demons up today. The light is far, but we are getting there today. No matter what they do, Jah will set us free. Battle for light and we will get the victory. Battle down with the big sense up. Tiger constantly I warn you. No one you look to build the people. Show some love and no evil. Battle for light and demons up together. The night is far, but we are getting there today. Rastafari, listen love.
Yeah man, Tiger, I like that. Hey, like that song.
But select that. This when the artist them, when not hear artist them, because they're definitely ready. Don't make the artist them custom.
Well, the Magnus family, Ross Magnus, Leighton Magnus. Yeah, Leighton. Leighton, you choose the rhythm already? Anger management, let's go.
Alright, bless you. Bless you, Father. I don't know. One star, coming straight from London, you know what I'm saying? Evening. Crowd, how you feeling tonight? Alright. Don't take it for granted, that ain't no kid. I'm an air grinding, it's when you want it. Life is a sugar, so I try to make it. Young never think about a guy who's sick. They wanna try something, come get it. Probably get you, they won't go in the face. Cause man, I read that, 3 times shot, and he make the music fly like puppet dance. Cause my them giants are be shiny. But the guy who's like a big guy, many bars, and me vibe, me marriage, and me want them to stick over the vibe, me all night. Oh,
Alright, so based on this thing. You have a mix kind of spot. Yeah, man.
DJ Shabby a mix here, not based on this.
Oh, Shabby.
So Shabby, you have to mix the artists them here.
And
mix them.
And
We have to make them
voice.
sound perfect. This is born to shine.
Yeah, man. And when the voice kind of finish, turn up the mic. Because we barely are here late now.
Alright, go in. Who next?
Who said me? Who is me? Oh, come in, me.
How she?
No, we have a next artist right now. Trashane, Ashina.
Trashane? No, you're not here that. Trashane.
Trashane or Trashane?
Trashane.
Trushane. That message on the paper. Wait there.
Run forward.
Going once, going twice.
You ready?
Ready? What in the... Okay.
Running fiesta.
In fiesta.
Tell a lie. All of us are prosperity. We're not dealing with 2025. Let me see some lights are going on in here right now. What is that now?
It's that tip.
What's up, Queen man? Believe.
No, we want me slice of the cake. No, don't tell me to wait. We want me shine. Don't tell me to wait. He said no. Don't tell me to wait. No, we want me slice of the cake right now. We want me. Want you to listen me now. We want me shine. She call me son. Now we wait. Me call the dog. Make my life be true. The God is gone. I mean Sharina call. She want to come with me. Yeah, me come back again. Cause she. Me a run off in place enough is big. Well, no, Mandevile. He said no, don't tell me to wait. No, me see me a mash up the place from now. We want me slice
piece of the cake. Be comfy. Don't tell me me lady said no.
I'm going. No.
So when you come down, when they come down.
That is it.
Triple. Alright, we get our honor from the boss. We'll say him again.
Triple.
Kick balance. Kick balance.
Triple.
Yeah, balance. See?
So don't send out balance.
Yeah, man. Which rhythm that balance? Driver rhythm. We know that rhythm, right? Taxi. Oh.
Yeah. Balance is here. Want to shine. Yeah. Big up Mandevile. Girlfriend. Nah stop at all. No matter you a scream and a crab and a ball. Girlfriend. Me nah even eat. I'm a rat and me a run so me nah come quick. Girlfriend 68 and the damn sex limit. No trying up the pretty girlfriend. That is it. Just got my cell phone. We change all the shit.
True shit. Big up yourself, you see me? Currency. Watch out. I would be love to see you with that type of day. I might type of free, she not spoil for free. Major player, yeah, major player. Who like this city got the key and give the major. Major player, yeah, major player. Me swap, understand, done. Pop up a club with your polica. She need a man with some problem, girl, see me. Big tipper, elevate your life in an hour. Major player, city player, so she have to stay here. Who stuck and loaded, them discover. Me buy a lot, many garages, if I them with you. With the eyes go low. Watch out now. I would be love to see you with a right my day. You might try for free, she not spoil for free. Tell her give me. You want to give me anger management or what? Be a bad artist.
First of all,
Yeah, you know see you're perfect when I ready me. Remember the judge over there so watch you know. And the people them talk, you know. Next artist come out.
yeah, but here what happened? We don't want no artists to start like massacre from down there, so you understand what I'm saying? Come on the stage and once the rhythm starts, and that's how the timing starts. You understand? From the rhythm starts, that's how it goes. You understand? Let's go. One more to go. Well, I'm fresh.
Yeah man, I want J first still enough. Anger management is for them. Yeah man, yo girl live it. Yeah man, big up on yourself and I want J first and I hear that. Yo, Spence, Dark Night, DJ man, watch out now. And you ready for it? You know what go on over there? Watch out now man. Yo go on. Yo, them free the boss. Them free the giant, feel the case like boy when I race free choose like bullet by a touch got clean. No fit and fire, hold on. Little lion, yo, never read to the empire. One nation, one Gaza, and a plaza. Bad man go chuck to no matter anything in the radar. You ready? Yo. Leave the boss and the catty. The boss of our really not capping. Never know, do it then the boss take a shopping. 2860, the boss not capping. The government fail. The boss buy this from in the jail. He chosen, he not get clear if he chosen. He must see this next year. Every week, bad man today, but the boss don't care. We're cheers, send kitchen. By you, see them kitchen. Yo, John won't start, pull up. Fuck up.
You know that man, John will start when me I tell you, say, don't cover the mic. You get your chance. Cover the mic. Remember, you don't reach particular stage like me yet. You see me? You ready again, mama? You ready again? Ready again. Next artist.
Particular stage? What are you?
Since Mandevile, in the name of Rastafari, say, it's a joy to be here. I'm Sister Ruby from the UK. I want all Jamaicans pick up themselves because I write this song for honor. So, answering him, run it, selector. Yes, sir. Jamaica see. Hear me now. Me I took free up my mind and my meditation. So me jump on a plane and me come a jam down. When me take a look around and say how the place it's so nice for I. When me take off the plane and me smell the fresh air. Take a look around and see the British Airways. Secure immigration with the greatest of it. Them I welcome the Empress where jobs are coming. It's so nice. Hey, hey, Jamaica is so nice.
Pop. She done it.
If you get the armband for now.
Yes.
No. If you get the armband for now, put it on your ear.
Automatic qualifier.
Where's the anthem? Anthem, selfish.
You all on there. Well, like Sister Ruby from the UK. Yeah, man, she in it. She did well. Yeah, man, me like the forward there. Hey, you're so corrupt. Watch yourself, man. Yeah, man, if you love up the woman, them in the brain. Yeah, man, you get on your own, you get forward. Okay, alright. Yeah, man. So big up yourself, Sister Ruby. Right about now, I'm calling the next 4. So it's all about crocodile. Chick them queen. Yo, you know what? Chick them queen. That's how you go picture room, see?
Which one? Fit them, Jen. What your name artist? Chick them Quadada. Jaja. Forward. Sparks. How would you say that on the radio? Chick.
Oi, Naini, you know say if me did have an artist, I'm telling you that name.
What you that name?
Eh? Milo.
Don't touch ready, man.
Don't touch her there.
They come for you come for me, she come for some bluff cause she wants.
He must not tell her though. I'm the management this hour.
Alright, so you do it now.
This is.
Big up Jan Bless. Yeah man, big up Jan Bless, big up Dr. Blacks. Dr. Blacks bones me in about man to shine, I'm gonna shine. Yo, I'm a chest, brings some more in the million, them a chat me everything, oh. Yeah, the bird, I'm a tell them watch me but me people. I'm got them a chat me but me people. I start there, I come before I eat up. Me them up, I'm going so. I'm a tell them watch me but me people. Chat them a chat me but me people. We start there, I come before I everything in the top of the talent show. Alright then, see straight there, I act, Shema act. Watch a foot man, them standing on your back. They watch a foot, all they get like that. Kill me that, we don't see to say that they girl like me. Anyway, we got me. Like this son, as a bitch. I want to go on, you know it's single. Can't live enough respect in a real life.
Beat for the $1 million.
Good night, I'm going to tell you.
A good artist. If you bust that time, want to give my listening ears. You understand what I'm trying to say. You have the microphone artist. Play ready. Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, what's up? Something like this. Not the same personality. Rastafari, don't cry, no violence, Mandevile. From a boy to a man, me mother could be strong. It's the man, carrying down me friend, and that's how you get from. What up again? I'm still two places the badness, you know. In a jail house or in the grave. So no say my name is here, 90 body speak up myself. Yo, from a boy to a man, me father grew up in strong. Mandevile, it's the man. Yo, carrying that beer friend and that's how you get from. When you forget us, only in a good man. We try to take a different good from day one. See what I come in, never try to no camp. So big, take up the music and go sing and go see never. Follow me with that and go step like that. The man that show me right for me, I dey on me knee. She tell me from my boy, they say that it is no all about company. You hear? You can be what you want to be. Listen man, cause if I hear those in a look at me, you go on money music. Everybody say no fun. Hush, hush. If you want to step in that Jamaica, come on, money people, take it up. Everybody say no fun. One love. My name is Demon. Keep up yourself. You have 90 bodies. Rastafari.
Big up demons, no for the bad company like high time. High time.